Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say. C and G jingles.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
Sounds and letters. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say. Write GR, CR, GL, or CL.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. G says goat. Goat.
G says goat. Goat.
C says coat. Coat.
C says coat. Coat.
CR says crab. Crab.
CR says crab.
Crab. GR says grass. Grass.
GR says grass.
GL says glass. Glass.
GL says glass.
CL says class. Class.
CL says class.
Crab. Grass. Glass. Class.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Word-making game. Listen to the teacher and hold up the letters.
Are you ready? Let's start. Can you make this word? Bag.
B.
Ga.
Bag.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Cat.
K.
T.
Cat.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Bug.
B.
Ga.
Bug. We got it.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.